Hey guys, welcome back to Katy Cat Cooks. I'm Ethan, and this Sunday, February 4th, marks the Super Bowl. Now this year it's pretty fun for me because the Super Bowl is actually held in my home state of Minnesota. Now we all know that Katy Perry performed at Super Bowl 49's halftime show, and I believe it's still the most watched halftime show ever. I could see why. She had the lion, the palm trees, surfboards, beach balls, Lenny Kravitz, Missy Elliott, firework finale, dark horse chess pieces, flames, and just amazing costume changes. Now, I think everyone knows Katy Perry's Super Bowl show because of Left Shark, and I kind of decided to dress like him today. Show off some of my Left Shark moves here. Just kind of tuck your arms in your sleeves and go like this. I love a Left Shark onesie. Katie, if you're watching, I'm a small. Anyways, we always have a Super Bowl party and everyone brings something like chips and salsa, but one thing that no one ever brings is a fruit dip. And I happen to love fruit. Raspberries are my favorite fruit of all time. And I knew that I needed to make something themed for Katy Perry's Super Bowl show. Now, my favorite dress of hers from the Super Bowl show was the beach ball dress. I loved it so much. It was so cute. So today, we're going to be making something inspired by that dress. We're going to be making a beach ball fruit dip. So the things you'll need to make this fruit dip will be 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And for the decoration, you'll need 1 can of pineapple chunks drained, half a cup of fresh raspberries, and half a cup of fresh blueberries. So our first step is we are going to cream our cream cheese in a medium bowl until nice and fluffy. Once your cream cheese is nice and fluffy, looks like the clouds, kind of from the Super Bowl, the next thing we're going to do is we really want to make sure we scrape down the sides so that all the cream cheese is in the center of the bowl. We can try this Left Shark style. Left Shark would be a bad cook because you can't really hold on to things. Got the spatula. Scraped the sides. Oh yeah. There we go. Doesn't really work. So once your cream cheese is all creamy, the next thing we're going to do is add all of our powdered sugar into the bowl and mix it up. So we can tell that our mixture is holding its shape a lot better than it did before after we've added the powdered sugar. Just like before though, we are going to take our spatula and scrape down the sides. Try Left Shark method again. Whoops. That wasn't supposed to happen. Next, add your vanilla extract and mix it up one more time. So our dip is nice and glossy and smooth, and now we can set this off to the side and start working on our heavy whipping cream. So the first part of our dip is off to the side. Now we're going to start on making our whipped cream for the dip. This is super simple. All we're going to do is take our half a cup of heavy whipping cream and mix that up until it forms nice peaks. When beating your heavy whipping cream, you don't need to start on a low speed. A high speed is just fine. I found anywhere between 5 and 8 minutes gets you a nice whipped cream. What happened to Katy Perry's sharks after the Super Bowl? She left them behind. It's not a good joke. Because Left Shark is on tour now, so he's not left behind. I don't know about Right Shark. So our cream cheese mixture is ready and our heavy whipping cream mixture is ready. Now we're going to combine them together using the folding method. Now folding is pretty easy. All you do is just take your spatula, scrape it down the center, and then fold over and repeat. This will help to keep the dip nice and airy and not so dense. So I've just put our dip into a serving bowl and now we get to decorate it. I've got the things to decorate it right here. Are raspberries, pineapples, and blueberries. Why was Left Shark sad? Because he couldn't do anything right. That's a bad one. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to take a toothpick and I'm going to trace the outline of where I want to put my fruits in the right order that they go. They go red, yellow, and blue on the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is arrange our pineapple. I found if you do 4 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 1 on the bottom, it gives us a perfect circular shape. For our raspberry pattern, I found a 3-2-1 works really good. And also I stacked them vertically instead of horizontally just to get them a little more height. For the blueberries, I just outlined the border that I made with my toothpick and then filled those in just by placing some blueberries one on top of the other as they're pretty tiny. So here we have it, our completed fruit dip that we made today to look like Katy Perry's beach ball dress from the Super Bowl. If you happen to make this dip, please share it with me on Instagram and Twitter at KatyCatCooks. I love seeing my Katy Perry creations come to life in your kitchen. Also, if you have any other ideas for another Katy Cat Cooks, please leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to make it happen. Bye! Alright, now let's try it. With raspberry. It's really good. It's sweet, but you get the cream cheese flavor, and it's also really smooth. It works good with all of these fruits, but my favorites are raspberries. Ooh, that's kind of